Year 5 Maths lesson, Wednesday, week 5. In today's lesson, we are learning to order and compare lengths. For you to be successful in today's lesson, I am looking that you can read a measurement of length. You can use your place value knowledge to identify longer and shorter measurements. Looking for you to be able to order measurements in ascending and descending order, and also that you can problem solve using length, which is in our additional activity attached to today's lesson. Alright, so just like yesterday's lesson, we've got millimeters represented by a lowercase m and a lowercase m, centimeters, lowercase c and m, meters, lowercase m, kilometers, lowercase k and m. 10 millimeters is the same as 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters is the equivalent of 1 meter, and 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. Alright, so today, like I said, we are looking at ordering our units of length. So we have 4 different ones that we are looking at in today's lesson. So we're going to put them in order from shortest measurement unit to the longest measurement unit. Can you have a guess at which one you think is the shortest measurement unit? That's right, millimeters is our shortest measurement unit, followed by centimeters, then meters, and that means our longest measurement unit is kilometers. Well done. All right, so we're going to have a look. We've got 5 different items here, each with a measurement next to them. So a broomstick is 1.32 meters in length, a mint 9 millimeters in length, microwave 46 centimeters, an iPhone 12 centimeters, and a car 2.6 meters. We're going to have a look at putting these in order from the shortest to the longest. So that's going in ascending order from the lowest to the highest. So we need to have a look at the types of measurements. So the units that these things have been used to measure with. So we've got our mint, which is measured in millimeters. We know that millimeters is our smallest unit of measuring length. So after that, we've got our centimeters. So we've got a microphone and an iPhone, followed by meters. So we need to identify the shortest item here. So we've got a mint, which is 9 millimeters. Because we know that millimeters is the smallest measurement of length, we know that a mint is going to be the shortest measurement there. So that's going to jump up into our number 1 position. However, next we're going to look at centimeters. Now, there are 2 possible answers that could be in our second smallest measurement spot there. We've got a microwave on 46 centimeters or an iPhone on 12 centimeters. Both are measured with centimeters. However, we have 2 different numbers. So we're going to pull up our place value chart to help us with this one, just like we did last week when we were looking at measurements of weight. So I've put our 2 numbers in, so we've got the 46 centimeters up the top there, followed by the 12 centimeters. Now, we are looking for the lowest number because we want the shortest length, which is the smallest. So we are looking for the number that is the smallest, which for us is, excellent, the 1 in the tens position. So remember, we are looking at the leftmost column to help us with this one, and we have 2 different digits. So that 1 is the lowest, so that means that 12 centimeters is shorter than 46 centimeters. So for us, our iPhone will go into number 2 spot there. Alright, so as we can see, we have iPhone as the second shortest, followed by microwave in the third shortest. Now we're moving up to our longer pieces. So next one we are going to look at is meters, which out of these 3 measurements is our largest unit of measurement that we have on this activity. So we're going to pull up our place value charts to help us with this one as well, because we have a broomstick at 1.32 meters or a car at 2.6 meters. We're going to use our place value charts to help us decide or identify which one is the smaller length measurement out of the 2. So for this one, we have our ones column represented by a capital O, our decimal point place, and then our tenths and our hundredths column. Now I've put in my broomstick 1.32, so that number has 3/10 in it and 2/100 in it. And then our car, which is represented by our 2 in the ones column and our 6 in the tenths column. So just like we did just before, we're going to move to the leftmost column, which is our ones column. Now we are looking for the smallest number still because we are going in ascending order. So let's have a look. We have a 1 or a 2 in the ones column. Our 1 is our smaller number, so we know that 1.32 is our smaller number, which means that 2.6 is our longest measurement there. So the car at 2.6 meters is our longest item. All right, now you're going to go and have a go all by yourself. So you've got a driveway, 8 meters long, a leaf, 8 millimeters long, a book, 28 centimeters long, a lollipop, 6 centimeters long, and a building, 54 meters long. You are doing ascending order just like I did, so the shortest to the longest length. Have a go. Pause this video while you work it out. Once you're done working it out yourself, you can press play and you'll have the answers come up for you to double check. How did you go? All right, so our leaf at 8 millimeters is our shortest length, followed by our lollipop at 6 centimeters, our book at 28 centimeters, then our driveway at 8 meters, and our longest length there being 54 meters, our building. Terrific. All right, so that was our practice for today. You guys now have a worksheet to go and do, and I've also thrown in a bit of a fun problem-solving, mini orienteering problem-solving activity for you guys to complete today as well. Have a great day. Don't forget to send through your work if you want some feedback.